Sithabile as a company has been around for 15 to 20 years. We're a niche player in the South African IT backup and archiving market. We handle everything from extremely large corporate customers, some of the biggest banks and the electricity supply departments within South African government, down to end users using cloud backup services. So from a Cloudian point of view, we've been with Cloudian now for 5-6 years. In the beginning, the build your own and trying to look after everything ourselves, to slowly getting the appliances come in, which made the hardware platform and the standardization more manageable, to now having an SLA type product where it's just a peace of mind for me as the overall person who's responsible for the entire service to the group. The fact that I've got experts looking after it now that give me advice that would take me a week to get on my own. So we've got a couple of different use cases that our cloud is implemented within. We use it for email archiving. So the country's electricity provider, we archive 55,000 mailboxes. We've got 10 years of history, 2.4 billion objects. We do all of their archiving and their legal case searches. All of that resides on Cloudian buckets. We've got customers using enterprise level Veritas Net Backup, where we have third copy, instead of migrating off onto tape, we put them off onto Cloudian Cloud S3 storage, native straight from Veritas. More recently, we have a much larger customer base made up of smaller customers that are a mix of Commvault and Commvault endpoint protection and Veeam customers. The Veeam customers are split between people who have no infrastructure of their own and their first backup goes straight onto cloud, to customers who have an infrastructure and we handle the second copy for them. That particular case, you've recently come to us as part of the SLA and given us a whole lot of recommendations and suggestions to make Veeam better, the customer experience better, and our whole cluster's stability better, which I really do appreciate. The amount of work I used to have to do just doing housekeeping tasks and having a look at alerts and those kind of things, you might know that we lost 1 or 2 resources that in my team that were actually looking after it for me. And until I found a new resource, the job actually fell on me. I said to the one person higher than me in the company, this is not going to work. Come up with another plan. And at that point in time, we approached you. And that's how this started. And I'm very grateful. I'd like to see what the future holds. I mean, if this has been the first 3 months and we've touched the tip of the iceberg on the advice and the stability changes you can make, I'm only looking forward to it.